Hello kids, welcome back to English online class. Yesterday we have learned about English alphabets, vowels, consonants and phonics. Now tell me, what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. And what are consonants? The remaining letter in English alphabets are consonant. If you remove vowels from English alphabet, the remaining letter will be the consonants. And we have learned phonics. So now joining A sound. You know A is a vowel. If you join this sound with other letter, see what will happen. Joining A sound. What is the sound of A? A. Now B, A, B, A, ba. C, A. This is ka, A, ka. Da, the sound is da, A, da. This is A, fa. This is ga, A, ga. This is ha, a, ha. So we are joining A sound with other letters. This is J, A, ja, A, ja. Ka, A, ka. L, A, la. Like that, you have to join A sound with different letters. So I am joining A sound. Like that, you can continue. After L, M is there. M, A, ma. Then N, A, N, A, na. Pa, A, pa. Like that, we are reading. Q, A, qua. R, R, A, rat. S, A, sa. Like that, you can read. So I'm joining A sound with other letters and reading. Ba, A, da. Ka, A, ke. Da, A, de. A, fe. Ga, A, ge. Ha, A, he. J, ja, A, j. Ka, A, ke. L, A, le. M, A, me. N, A, ne. P, A, pe. K, A, que. L, A, re. S, A, s, A, se. Like that. You can continue. After S, T is there. T, A, te. Like that, you can read. Children, you have seen that we have learned just now that how to join with A sound. I have joined letters with A sound. Now there are some words with A. Okay. Now 8th word. This word will be there. This is not word. This will be there. A-T. Now C-A-T. How to read? I have taught you. C-A-K-T. Cat. R-A-T. Rat. Rat. M-A-T. Meta. First we will join these two, then we read like this. This is 3-letter words. It is having 80 letter. Now A-N words. A-N words. C-A-N. K-N. Can. Then P-A-N. Pen. Pen. R-A-N. Ren. Ren. So these are A-N word. V-A-N. Van. Van. Then A-M words. These words are having 3 letters. These words are having 3 letters. Now see the words having am, like JAM, jam. So here you know all this before, you have read in lower classes, but here I'm using phonics and I'm teaching you. Then jam, then ram, RAM, ram. Then AP words. There are words having AP in that. CAP, cap. Then TAP, tap. MAP, map, like that. So these are 3-letter words and it has A vowel. These words are having A vowels. So these are 3 letters word. Now it is clear for you that using vowels and consonant, how we are using phonics and making the words, and we are reading the words. Now tell me some 2-letter words. Before I wrote that A sound word, joining A sound in that letters, they don't have any meaning. They are not having. I wrote BA, ba, CA, cat, like that. But you tell me words which are having 2 words, like A and. These are having 2 words. if, O and on. Like that, 3-letter words just now we have read, like leg, man, pen, tip. These are 3-letter words. Like that, 4-letter words are there. Tell me one 4-letter word. Word only, this word. This has 4 letters. 4 also has 4 letters. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. These words are having 4 letters. Many words are there, like post, POST, post. It has 4 letters. These words has 4 letters. And whenever you are writing any words, you should not make spelling mistake, because spelling mistake making is a bad manners. Now we will learn use of a and an. Now we will learn use of a and an. Children, we have learned about vowels. So whenever a word starts with a vowel, we are going to put an. Okay, and whenever a word it starts with a, then consonants, we will put a. See here, this is umbrella. Here starting word is U, so you write A and an. Here door, starting word is D, so you write A, because it is consonant. Whenever a word, you know what is a word? Word is a combination of letters, a group of letters which has some meaning or sense. So whenever a word starts with a vowel, you have to put an. Whenever a word starts with a consonant, you have to put A. Now here peacock, its starting letter is P, so you write A. Here it is arrow, starting letter is A, so you write an. Here ice cream, starting letter is I. In this word, starting letter is I, so write an. Here cow, this cow, starting letter is C. It is consonant, so write A. Here starting letter, this is orange, starting letter is O, so write an. Egg, starting letter is E, so you write an. Here also an. A and N. Here pen, this word is pen, starting letter is P, so write A. This is owl, starting letter is O, so write an. This is book, this word is book, your starting letter is B, it is consonant, so write A. So you understand when to write A and when to write an. And now I read this one, you have to read with me. An umbrella, a door, a peacock, an arrow, an ice cream, a cow, an orange, an egg, A pen, N owl, A book. So you have understand use of A and an. Today, children, we have learned joining A sound like B, A, ba, ba, a, ba. For before class, we have learned phonics. So when you know the sound of letters, you can read. That is very important, knowing the letter and its sound, recognition of letter and the sound of the letter. Then we have joined some letters and with vowel A, like B, A, ba, C, A, can, D, A, dare, like that. And after that, we make 3-letter words using some vowels A and consonants. Consonant, vowel, consonant, like cat, bat, can, jam, cap, rat. These are 3-letter words. Then 4-letter words are there. And today's homework is you have to write 2-letter words, 10, 3-letter words, 10 write, and 4-letter words, 10 write. This is your homework. Write in your homework book. So children, for today, this much only. Have a nice day.